To keep your EV1 in top shape, you'll want to keep regular maintenance. Debris and earwax will naturally build up on the EV1. Use the handy black brush that came with the hearing device to remove debris. Be sure to take the ear domes off and regularly clean them. Once you have removed the ear domes, clean the entire unit with a rubbing alcohol swab or wipe. Make sure to get the tip, also known as the receiver. This is where the earwax will build up. Then, take the small brush and clean out the charging port of the hearing aid. The small brush will help loosen up any dirt. You may also blow into the unit to get any dust or dirt out. This will help with the charging connection issue if the unit is not charging. You will want to do the same for the charger. Using the alcohol wipe, clean the micro USB tip, then clean out the inside with the brush and blow into it, and do the same for the other end. Clean out the wall plug with the brush and blow into it as well.